Greetings. Today I shall show you the different types of Swann-Morton handles and their blades. These are the three basic modular blades they use, number 10, 10A and 11. This is how 10 looks like. It's curved. Number 11, 10A is sharper. And 11 is the sharpest, as in slope sharp. These are the four types of handles. This is your most basic, your trim away. So you use it, do all your modeling. When it's no longer sharp, you throw it away. The second type is your retract away, which is for safety. So you can take the blade as you cut, and when you finish, you'll retract. The third has got a nice handle. It's your anti-slip, of which you can install the blade and your fourth is what I presented before. It gives you a flat blade so you can do things like chiseling. Now this is how you use the different blades. For those that you need very straight cuts, you use your number 10A or your number 11, which is for straight cut down. And then for the more delicate parts that you need to cut, then you have a more gentle curved blade to cut. So you don't break the very fragile, in this case, World War I aircraft part. And that's it for today. Thank you.